our little family continued the journey together.
While warmth and laughter filled every corner inside the van. The storm outside slowly became calm.
On a rainy day, after the rain came a beautiful morning by the sea. The water is perfect. Come join us.
I found a seashell. Here you go, honey. Eat up.
These pancakes look amazing.
I really like this sandwich, Mom.
And beside the endless sea, we created another beautiful family memory.
And every little thing suddenly felt magical.
We didn't need much to feel happy.
Some of the most beautiful memories were the quiet ones.
Some moments are quiet, but they stay in our hearts forever. A simple walk by the sea became one of those memories.
We hope this little journey brings you a sense of calm, the peaceful sound of rain,